Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm sick. I'm sick and tired of trains. But lo and behold, we've got another one. And I can't pass up the chance to take a nice, probably increasingly long video. It's a Metro. We're gonna be here for a minute. Oh my goodness gracious, I'm done, I'm spent, I'm tired. 6 trains. I'm cold. I wish I put on more layers. I'm gonna be so angry if Danger Another Train Coming comes on. Oh man, well, I would like to apologize to you all, because of this video, long video. Bye.